Known by his clan name Madiba, Nelson Mandela was the hereditary successor to a Thembu chieftaincy but renounced his title. He came to Johannesburg in the early 1940s where he studied law. During his studies, he stayed in Alexandra, which he described as his home in his autobiography A Long Walk to Freedom. Having received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1998 along with President F.W. de Klerk, he was elected as the first black president of South Africa in 1994 after the country's first democratic elections. My history, your history.
You already know, ladies and gentlemen, I'm in the heart of the city, the heart of capital, Alex FM 89.1. Let's elevate our mind, let's elevate our thinking, let's elevate our pockets. That's the only way we're going to get it done if we plug into the number one station, Alex FM. Your boy T-Bo Touch. Let's go.
It's 9 minutes after 8. We're on our third and final stretch of the kickstart. Thank you so much for joining us right now. It's a Wednesday, by the way, so it's a financial Wednesday. And right now in studio, we are joined by Kenosi Rakosa, who is the head of the credit lending at the EasyPay Everywhere banking services. Siyazi ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani njengoba sazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bazoba nama expenses alokakhula siboleka imali so ezinye izinto eziba stressful experience ke umuntu angayithanda especially for abantu abangenzi kahle when it comes to imali and also nama communities kuma grant recipient as well. So abantu abaningi ababoleka imali ba require significant paperwork, ama long queue waiting times to access some funds, and then others ke kuba nama charges are high ukuyona ke ama interest rates and also at demand the repayment in just 1 month, and then often leaving our families unable with cover some of their essential needs. So yeah man, in studio Kenosi uzositshela kabanzi ke on what is it that we need to work on. Simbingelele simamukele kwile kickstart. Sawubona and welcome to Alex FM.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome.
How are you?
I'm very well, thanks, and how are you?
I'm very well. I'm broke. I'm not mali. So you are here to advise us. You're gonna tell us better when it comes to money, right?
Yes.
So siyazi ukuthi from January till now, our families are manning. They often find themselves with tight financial spot, with the school fees, stationery, school uniform, makeup-tin, ukudla, and other expenses alokaya pile up. Could you just share some of the biggest challenges that lower income communities and grant recipients face when it comes to kuboleka imali, and how these challenges are inspired your approach at EasyPay Everywhere?
So you hit the nail on the head with your initial discussion points around the fact that many of our customers are actually vulnerable towards lending, specifically on the basis that a lot of them don't think that they qualify for traditional banking services because they've been excluded for such a long time. So from an EasyPay financial services perspective, what we try and do is that we try to bring financial inclusion, and what that basically means is that we provide services to customers that are typically excluded from financial services. And our core target market would be grant recipients. So from this perspective, these are people that typically think that they don't qualify for lending products, but we actually offer them lending products. So how we've designed our solutions is that we actually have created, and we've just recently launched a new loan product, and this lending product is basically targeted specifically at lending recipients and grant recipients, where they actually get up to 4,000 rands per month, or not per month, but 4,000 rands as a lending product over a 9-month period. And it's actually a very compelling proposition in the sense that our customers actually get a very reduced lending rate. So the interest rate is very, very competitive. It's about 12%. And essentially our customers...
12%?
Yes.
How do we pay it back? Yeah.
So basically, our customers can pay it back over a 9-month period, and it's actually based on the outstanding amount, and they will then repay it over that 9-month period.
9?
Yes. So it's not even over a 1-month period where our customers have to pay back in such a short period, which leaves them with very little to actually repay. So we've designed our products in such a way that we actually help our customers improve their lives and actually build credit profiles with the credit bureaus in order to help them actually get credit elsewhere as well.
So don't you struggle with people from like us? We are here in Alexander right now. They come at EasyPay and then they take that loan. In terms of them paying back, don't you guys struggle?
I think that is a massive misconception that is in the market.
Okay.
And when I actually joined EasyPay Financial Services, I actually had a very closed mindset in that perspective. But when you're actually in the work and you find that people actually repay and our actual repayment rate is better than what's in the market, where we see our bad debt rate at about 4 to 6%. In the market, it's definitely much higher than that. So our customers actually repay us.
About 12% over a period of 9 months.
Yes.
But now we have this issue. Like I said, we are in Alexander, we are in a township right now. And we know that banks and other companies that deal with loans, they require a lot of farmer documentation. They want this and that and that, and people just end up going to the loan shacks in Abomashonisa because of there's no traffic. So in terms of paperwork, how do you work with as EasyPay?
So from an EasyPay perspective, what we've done is that we've streamlined our paperwork requirements.
Okay.
So for instance, the customer doesn't even need to have an ID to come and apply. All they need to do is to bring we've actually linked with Home Affairs, so a customer just needs to bring their fingerprint and we can verify their identity through Home Affairs from that perspective. We also do require, for instance, the customer to actually have an account with us, a transactional account with us over a 3-month period, and to actually see deposits coming into the account. So from that perspective, we can then actually verify that the customer is actually earning their grant through us, and then essentially they will then qualify for the 3-month product. Then in terms of immediately when a customer has just decided to open an account with EasyPay Financial Services, they can qualify for up to 1,000 rands. And what they basically need to do with that product is that they need to provide us with a SASSA confirmation letter or a Form 5020 to actually verify that they've switched their grant through to us. And those are the document requirements, as well as their 3-month bank statements. So we don't really require a customer to hand over their bank card. Some of these, yes.
Yeah.
So we do not operate like that. We are actually regulated by the NCR. So we are a responsible lending organization where we actually vet our customers. And what that means is we actually check that our customers can qualify for the product. We check their affordability. We check their credit score. And we actually, as I said initially, help them build a credit profile so that they can actually access more credit with other providers as well.
All right, we're hanging out with the Kenosi Rakosa. So if you've got any question of Ngumbuza Yona, well, you can start sending those voice notes right now. I'm also taking calls. We are on 011 440 1396 or 011 440 1396 or 068 212 9281. That's our WhatsApp line there. So if you've got any question that you'd like to ask about the lending of money, as well also the loan that you want to take. And guys, what are some of the offers that you have at EasyPay?
So at EasyPay, what we provide our customers with is we provide them with a full banking solution. In the sense, they get access to a transactional account, and our transactional account is very competitive and well priced in the market. We also provide funeral cover for our customers, so our customers can actually qualify for funeral cover. And as I said, we have a lending product that we've just launched, which is a 4,000 Rand loan, as well as a 1,000 Rand loan targeted specifically at those customers that have just qualified for a transactional account with us. And in terms of our solutions, we also provide digital banking in the sense that our customers don't have to travel very far to actually get access to our services. So they can access us using digital channels. So they can log on to our USSD channel by dialing *120 *3737 hash, or they can dial into our call center, and our call center number is 080 111 1880, and customers can actually qualify for a loan by calling into this line and answering a few questions to actually vet them and verify whether or not they qualify for our lending products. So as I said, our solution, we try and bring our products to our customers. Our customers don't have to travel very far for these products or incur additional travel expenses from this perspective.
So in terms of this grant recipients,
Yes.
so in order for them to access these loans, they must be actually the ones that are banking with you, registered with EasyPay?
Yes. they have to be registered with EasyPay. So what that means is that they have to have a transactional account with us.
Okay.
So to qualify for a lending product with us, you have to have an EasyPay transactional account.
So it's strict
And
like that.
It's strict like that. It's very strict like that. And the reason is that we actually want to verify that the customer has income and that they are getting income on a regular basis. And this is to ensure that we align with the NCR and the NCA requirements.
And then how much income must one be getting?
So it can be a child support grant.
Okay.
It can be an old age grant, disability grant, a combination of all these grants. We do also offer grant recipients from an SRD perspective, but SRD customers do not necessarily qualify for a lending product, but they do qualify for a transactional account as well as taking up funeral cover.
All right. And then last words to your clients who are listening right now. Maybe they want to join in, they want to be part of the people that want to come through and lend money. What would you like to say to them?
So what we'd like to say to them is that we are here to serve you as our customers, in the sense that we provide solutions to actually make a difference in your life. We actually create our solutions create them in mind, in the sense that we want to make sure that our solutions are created to better the lives of those